That whole field is taking off right now. Listen. Here they come, guys. So this is pet friendly area. You just have to be leashed. This is the visitor center. The actual station, the visitor center here is a Monarch Waystation. So in the season, in the Monarch season, you see they have all kind of flower beds with native plants around so that the monarchs can sustain. Of operation is the Pennsylvania Game Commission Wildlife Management Area Visitor Center. So here's the visitor center. All kind of activities to work to do. Some of our favorite things. I'm gonna stand back here, get a full view. And they have little markers down below to identify each of the birds, and they even have them up here showing like they're landing. It's really fun. Over here is a viewing station.
Okay, so when I went to Nixon Park for a field trip, they had a swan hanging from the roof, and it was bigger than those swans.
It was bigger than those.
It was bigger, like.
Yeah.
I'm like, I've never seen a swan that big.
And here's a nice map. A three-dimensional map somebody did.
Here, right here.
Here, let me get over here. So we're
Either
right
there or there. No, not
Yeah,
here.
we're right
there.
here. Yep, we're right there. You can see in relation to the scaled map. On this map, 1 inch equals 250 feet.
There's all the water that the geese are at, like this pond.
Yep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out here, make a left, and follow this. And if you make your first right, there's a parking area along here.
Yeah, and then we walk down this way.
And then we walk. This is a hiking, and this is wheelchair accessible hiking too. So you can come. We go down here, and out on the end, is where we're gonna view all the birds that come into that area. All right, so we have more here as we get to spread your wings. All right, you're almost up to the bald eagle. Right now, you're a Tundra Swan. So then they have, once again, more displays up on the. Get into the beavers, the raccoons, the porcupines, the fox, the minks, the weasels, anything else that could be in this area, possums. And then they have a nice display over here for the types of homes that they help build. The park helps build to keep. And we got a raccoon. Boxes and nesting areas. This types that you'll see on the pond areas around here. And you got some more mallards. Male, female. All right, and then this shows you how they count, how they get their average. So over the weekend they had over 100,000 birds fly into the pond. So what they do is they use frames and hold their frames up, count in that area, how many are in that frame, and then what they do is they just do a panoramic. They start counting so that if there's 20 in that one, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and that's how they average out on the actual lake. How they average how many birds are landing in the lake. So far today, their estimate currently what is in the pond at sunrise. At sunrise, there's 125,000 snow geese, 1,500 Tundra Swans, and about 800 Canada Geese. So if you want to come, the best times to come are at 7 a.m. or around 4 p.m. to dark. So this map here shows the migration patterns. The blue is the Tundra Swan, green is Canada Goose, and red is the Snow Goose. Those are the three primary birds that we have in this pond here. So for the future here, when we show you the actual lake with all the birds, there are 48 birds on that wall, just on the wall, not hanging from the ceiling, just on the wall. So that's going to give you an idea, going from 48 birds, putting into correlation with the 100,000 birds, up to 100,000 birds that are in the lake.
This is one of my hands. Wait, what? Okay, this is both one.
Yeah. Oh my, get to 90.
And then this is...
One hand you get to 60. The other hand you get about 55.
How
Here,
much
hold
is
this. I'll show you. See if I can get it.
Mom.
Back to.
Mom.
See if I can get
Mom.
Back. Try to get back to 200.
So, 65 and 75 are strong athlete, and then falcon is 200, and then a great horned owl is 500.
So I got to.
And it only goes to 220.
Yeah.
Doesn't go to
Let
500.
me try both hands and see if I can get
Come on,
it.
Daddy.
I can't do it.
Do your other hand. And then look, and then this you have to match up.
Yep, it shows you how your owl can control both of its eyes. So you have to manually control both eyes here, so that you can focus in on your prey.
And then there's a skull of.
Now,
We were just talking about these like 5 minutes ago.
so it shows the teeth of a carnivore, herbivore, and
This is a
bobcat.
they eat rabbits, birds, small mammals, and rodents.
So you see their teeth, they have all sharp teeth along.
What do you zoom in?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so you can see how they're all sharp teeth. And now we go over to beaver.
They eat
Aquatic plants.
bark, leaves, and trees. I didn't know they ate trees.
Yep.
I thought they just cut them
So
down.
they're herbivore. Yep. So they're going to use those front teeth to break up the bark and all that stuff. And then all their teeth are flat to crush up to grind up that the plants.
Now this is us, our teeth, pretty much. I know, but this is a black bear, but kind of like us, because they're.
Your sharp teeth in the front.
Hold on, it's blurry. Yeah.
Sharp teeth in the front to bite the stuff off, to scissor it, and then you have to grind in the back.
Same with the top. Now bears eat small mammals, nuts, insects, and berries. And then did you show?
All right, so while we're here, we found a special guest appearance. Came all the way from Canada, and then they're going to be headed back to Canada. You'll see here on our screen, there's Justin and Christina. If you don't know who Justin and Christina is, check out their page. Justin and Christina's RV van life. I'll put a link in the description below. You can check their channel out. Very cool couple. Alright guys, here's the first round. Getting in. They're all flying into the field. Listen to them. Look at this field. That's roughly about a football field long. Look at these. I can't even. Holy cow. And they're still coming in. Look at this. There's still more down in the lake too. We're gonna walk down there next. What do you think? Oh, let me zoom out. What do you think?
This is amazing!
There's like 6 fields that they go in before evening, and they eat and do their thing and then end up in the water. So this is a controlled area. No drones are allowed.
Boo-hoo!
Yeah.
You should put aw.
But we're on Willow Point Trail, which is right down the road from the actual center that we were at.
Willow's our dog's name.
So, dogs are allowed.
Mm-hmm. Poopy bags.
Yep, Pennsylvania, they offer poop bags for the dogs. Dogs are allowed on this.
We were in a bag of dogs, but
on this hiking trail.
And Pat-Pat's here with us.
Pat-Pat's here with us today.
But the dogs aren't allowed into the visitor center.
Yeah, dogs aren't allowed in the visitor center.
Aren't.
So this is new, isn't it, guys? The blacktop.
Yeah, last time was
Last year. Yeah, we last year and the years prior, this was actually just stone hiking trail.
And there were a bunch of holes in the.
Yeah, a bunch of potholes and stuff. So this is nice that they have it blacktop. Gives it wheelchair accessible. There she is. We are here walking through. Walking through.
If you watched the last video of us hiking, you would know what I mean.
Yep.
I'm way down here. Hey, check out our merch in Teesprings.
Teesprings.
And we will have it in the link down below.
Yeah, we've seen the misplaced at Raylan. Oh my goodness, she was hidden in that post.
I'm a blue post.
You're a blue post. See the lake, it's the little peninsula here. It actually goes back here. All the swans seem to be segregating themselves back here. You can see the swans. Here's the swans. There's not too many swans. They go all the way back through. They're still in the field. So that one that I showed you before, and then back here behind, there's a whole batch of farmers' fields, and they actually closed the road off. You can't access there because of the amount of birds that land over there. They don't want people getting interfering with them. But you can see, there's another one. So it's like 3 or 4 times the amount of the one field that we were able to get close to. And there is some in the water, but this time of day they're out on the fields surrounding the water. This is Snow Geese.
There is an eagle over there. I see where you have the trees that are sticking up. You see one that has twin trees.
That is the field that we showed earlier where they were all flying into. One of the fields. So at the end of this trail, I'll turn around here for you. At the end of this trail, they put up a pavilion with some tables. A nice little area. This gets filled up on the decent days. A seagull. There's a seagull flying in the mix of things. Even though we're hours away from the sea, we still get them when it's raining down in the Ocean City, Maryland area. They'll move up this way. See them all propagating together. There is a bald eagle they said they spotted over, I can't zoom in enough, but right there is a double, there's two white double trees. He's over there somewhere. Oh, Aaron. That whole field is taking off right now. Listen. Here they come, guys. I think Justin and Christine are in there too. I'll have a link at the very end of this video that'll pop up on the screen for Justin and Christina's RV van life. You just click on that and you can go to their page. Oh my gosh. They're all in air. That whole field is in flight. This is the moment we've been waiting for. I'm zoomed out, guys. We're 100%. They're flying over us. Duck and cover, duck and cover. Don't look up. I can't even. Okay, there's still a whole flock over here. You guys saw 48 birds in the visitor center up on the wall. I just can't even imagine how many that is. That whole field is now in the water.
Yeah, when they come swarming over this way, it looks so, it's like an alien or something.
See if I can zoom in on them.
I'll settle down now for the next time.
Look at that, guys.
They go pretty far. They go all the way up to like the roof and
Yeah, this is only a stop.
That whole batch of them.
Well, they say it's the fields have rain in them and all that, so I guess.
They're still going. You still hear them squawking in the background. It's been a good 20 minutes since they landed. But one thing so this is the flock we're waiting for to take off and land back in the lake. When they do, the sound of the feathers will be heard from all the way over here. So right now we're about 150, 200 yards away from them. So we're just waiting for them to take off.
Imagine all of those coming over here.
Yep, they'll come over then. All right, here they go. The moment we've been waiting for. Look at these birds. Stay under the under. Look at these. Look at them. Like a friggin' swarm. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, everybody's been like sitting here
Starting to
waiting.
rain. Started to rain, I think.
It's starting to drizzle.
Guys, this is epic. They're all just finding a spot. Started to rain, so I think that's why they're all getting nestled in. They still aren't all landed. Still haven't all landed. Thousands of birds. Thousands of birds. So we're up a little bit higher ground. There they are.
因为他知道要那里要下雨了。
那里一点都没有了，那今儿不也下吗？
There they are, guys. Yeah, it started raining, so I think they're all like ready to get in. There's still a flock of them over in that field. Over here in that field, you can see that white line. There's still a good flock over there yet. It's amazing. So they're starting to spread out for us. They're getting closer to us. Starting to get closer to the bank. You just hear the constant noise.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed our little visit to Middle Creek Wildlife Management Area. And I will post the address to how to get here, so that you know how to get here for next season. I think this still goes on for a little while longer into March. I believe they're still, majority of them are still here. They do dwindle down as the weeks go on. But yes, it's Middle Creek Wildlife Management Area.
Thanks.
Make sure you hit the thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Subscribe.
And watch videos in full.
Turn on your bells because we do lives and you don't want to miss them.
Yes. Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Hey guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then once you do that, turn on the bell so so that you get notifications on when we post more videos.